All of the top designers in San Francisco, of course, use and love Tai Ping because they create the most exquisite carpets in the world. So I think it was brilliant of them, of course, to work with Jeff, who does the most superb arrangements, to create this collection and to transform his art into theirs.
Why Jeff? What was very interesting, looking at Jeff's work, it's all about, of course, flowers, which is his medium, but it was all about installation, colors, textures, and that what, we wanted to capture and express into our rugs.
The Jeff Leatham Bloom collection for me, the first impression was really, I had chills because the colors were so vivid, the actual textures were just really popped out. You actually just want to go up there and touch them and sit on them, and I'm so very proud of this.
J'ai beaucoup aimé la collection, je la trouve extrêmement positive, extrêmement colorée évidemment. Elle cadre avec tout à fait l'univers de Tai Ping dans la force des créations qui sont faites et diffusées ici.
Je trouve que c'est une magnifique collection, que ce soit en termes de coloris et en termes de motifs. C'est comme des tableaux, je trouve ça magnifique.
I think it's a spectacular collection. The colors are so radiant and they've done a brilliant job of making floral feel, just like Jeff, very modern.
If I'm going to collaborate with someone, I'm going to put my name on something, I want people to first think, what a beautiful product, and then secondly think, it is really reminiscent of Jeff's work. And so this collaboration with Tai Ping is perfect because you have the amazing quality, the color, the softness, the textures, the feeling of that, and then you have these amazing shapes, colors, architecture that kind of pop out at you, and that's what we're here to create, is just unforgettable experiences.